Alright, so we're back with the brand new product. This is the Mileseey Tools TR20 thermal camera. So if you've got some issues with heating, leaking your house, maybe some water flow problems, want to catch some unsightly pests in your garden at night, eating your fruits and vegetables, this is a really cool tool for that. We'll talk about it a little bit more. Just to start off, this device has a really cool 320 by 240 IR resolution and 50 hertz frame rate, which is really, really good for a thermal camera. Let's mention it is handheld. It will also store your footage, your video, which is really nice. You can rewatch it back. That's so cool. Look at a manual right here. That's so cool. I like that magnetic seal there. And the case just comes right out. Oh. That's supposedly what it's going to look like. We'll see. Oh, we shall see. So we got our power cord here. USB-C. Nice. Little handle lanyard. Inspector quality control past the stamp. That's nice. And then here is the device. That is beautiful. You got a film protecting the screen. Okay, hold that button to turn it on. And that is the screen right there. That's so cool. It shows you the temperatures and it gives you the range. Up top here is where you're gonna have your plug cord for your USB-C. That's gonna allow you to recharge it. And you can actually set a temperature window to set an alarm, so that way if anything goes to a certain degree, it'll let you know and not just let it set that way. It'll actually alert you if it reaches that amount. So to be able to adjust the temperature setting on this, you just go into hit set, and then you can go over to setting, and you can actually go into temperature units, and you can switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit, so on and so forth. You can set distance and a lot of different things. And then you can actually cycle through your preferred color things. You can do black heat, white heat, green hot, blue hot, red is hot, a blend, rainbow, or you could do the traditional one, which appears to be iron. And that'll tell you that my hands are about 95.5 degrees. And as I hold the trigger, it's recording footage. Which I can then hold the trigger long for it to stop. And then I can go into the actual video file now, and I can see it, and I can play it back. That's so cool. So we're going to take this out, and we're actually going to film this at night, watching our birds and any other vermin that might be running around in our wilderness or our backyard, and we'll be right back. Hopefully you guys found this interesting. It's a super cool, super handy little device, and it really is awesome. Another cool feature is you have a little tripod mount. You can put that on there. So if you want to set that up on a light stand or something and have it aim specifically at something and watch and maintain, it can give you alerts when it reaches certain temperatures, certain degrees, and then you can make sure you don't miss what you need to do, whether it be for cooking, for science, for all kinds of things. This bad boy is going to meet your needs, and that's really cool. Hope you guys like this. Hope you guys pick it up for yourself, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.